Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sync the system time between Ubuntu and Windows in a durable setup. The first method will be changing the Ubuntu's UTC default time to local time to match the Windows default setting. For that, open the terminal anywhere and execute this command. I'll leave the command in the description. And that's it, it's done. But to confirm it, use this command and ensure that RTC in local TZ is set to yes. And just restart your Ubuntu to apply the changes. Now coming to method 2, we can change the Windows hardware local time to use UTC. For that, open run by clicking Windows R and type regedit and go to this directory. I will leave it down in the description and create a Dword value by right clicking on the right pane, select new Dword 32-bit value and name it RealTimeIsUniversal and double click the Dword value and set its value to 1 and click OK. And now restart your Windows to apply the changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.